Dude, it's not even funny. It's not even funny. Where's my gas mask?
Oh my God. For the next 4 days, non-stop, your orders are being packaged, and we have done truckloads and truckloads of drop-offs. Tomorrow, we leave for New Zealand. I don't know all the details, TJ does, and I'm sure he'll love to tell you all about it. But what I'm focused on is finishing the last bits of this car. Yesterday, TJ helped me sand the body kit. He sanded the front part of the car, which is the hood. He did all of this. He did the hood. He did this side fender. The last thing we have to do, which we haven't done on this side, is we have to add holes to the back of the mounting point for the side skirts. Shouldn't take too long. It should just be 2 quick holes, 2 quick easy holes. And then on the front, clearly the front bumper is not on. The front bumper needs quite a bit of love. We need to do what we did with the rear fenders and do what we did with the side skirt. For the most part, it fits. It's where it needs to be. We need to figure out a solution to marry this part of the bumper to right here, because there's no way currently for the 2 pieces to stay stable. So when the wind is hitting the front bumper, you'll see the bumper flapping about because it's not stable with the fender. So my goal today is to finish the side skirt, put this front bumper on, and basically it's ready to go to premium, because tomorrow, that's all we have to focus on. We leave. Wish us luck.
Garbage, major garbage. Not garbage. Well, I mean, like, kind of garbage, but really not that much garbage.
We decided that we're gonna use these JDM fasteners. We're gonna put one on the edge here and then put one on top.
So Super Simple, we're just gonna drill the holes, attach the hardware, and put the little rubber band on, and it should hold just fine.
Figure it out, Tej. Good shit, Tej. I'm gonna truth. Yeet. Before we finish up the front bumper and the side skirts, we're gonna pull this thing out because after all the sanding, there's a bunch of like leftover residue and stuff. So we're gonna air down the car, get it a little bit cleaned up, and it's also an excuse to kind of see the car outside of the shop. We can kind of see it full form a little bit.
Oh, she needs a little work, but she's a beauty.
Get like the roof, yeah.
We're making the last final bolt holes for the side skirt. We've already secured it up front. Now it's just a matter of securing it in the back. And if you remember what we said is we're putting the rear over fender on top of the side skirt. We think it flows the best.
Can we get an F in the chat, F in the comments down below, F for respect for Calvin here? I think Calvin needs a little F for respect. You're going really fast. It's a great team effort. It's a great team effort. I am proud.
And I know you want to spend another couple weeks on this and you're getting stressed, your hair's flying everywhere, but we're making the deadline.
Dustin has got his Evo painted and it was like gone for like a month and a half. This is my first time seeing it.
He joined the white car game. Something about white is just such a clean looking paint job. Congratulations, that looks awesome. Joining the paint game, huge moves. And of course, leave it to Dustin to get another set of TE37s.
Name a skateboard move right now. 3, 2, 1. Kickflip. All right, here you go.
Yesterday I did it, and I did it over there and I ate shit, and I flung the board down the side.
You did it today, Tej.
Should I flip though? Oh, that was close! Oh,
nah.
so close! I got it. I got it though. I so got it.
Yeah, one more. I'm going back to my car.
Next time.
Ripperino, Tej.
Next time. Oh, I almost had that.
Before it gets too dark, Dustin really wants to take me for a ride in his Evo. So we're taking a slight pause on the 240. And I'm gonna see how slow this car really is. You know what's funny is I've gotten a ride along in this car.
Yeah, when Alan owned it.
When Alan owned it, like probably on the vlog it was like
probably 2 years ago. Alan from HG owned this car and he took me a ride for it. I was in love, and then you bought it, and now it's faster than Alan's.
Yeah, it's faster than Alan's. So when you rode in it, Alan's was like 500, what, like 505?
I don't know.
I don't remember, but yeah. This car was tuned to 575, and we tuned it down to 510 for the street.
The hood dump that you have is smelly. Are you, dude, it's like I have an exhaust port under my nose.
Oh, I missed that gear.
Fuck you. Oh, I'm scared. It's anticipation, I'm scared. Trying to do a launch? You're just gonna do a dig? Oh my god! What? Dude, all-wheel drive is awesome. It's so awesome. Dude, that's fucking fast. That launch was like, that caught me off guard.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
That was epic. That was awesome.
I'm glad you liked it.
Thing is, like, the launch was like my favorite part. You can't do that with any of my cars. All the rear wheels, everything.
All hooks. It's incredible.
Oh man, that was great. I'm gonna scare them. Whoever gets out first, Sabrina's our victim. Hey! Got him! What a transformation!
It's done! That was a rough few days. But we did it in the week TJ said. Arbitrary.
If any of you know a good place to get like a Rocket Bunny rear diffuser, link it down below. We're looking for one right now. His wheel fitment game and this rear tint's gonna get fixed probably after New Zealand. We're just running a little bit out of time to get that done. But when we're back next week, we'll probably dive right into that and get going on this because hopefully it's done by then. I'm excited. We really turned this thing around and did a pretty good job on it, in my opinion, for the materials that we were started with. That just shows any of you guys out there looking at a kit, possible to make it work. It's gonna require a lot more elbow grease and a lot more time, but it is possible. Before we drive this Singer Premium tomorrow on the freeway and drive an hour and a half, we're gonna go for a little test drive, make sure everything feels okay, but more importantly, we're gonna see if Calvin can even get out of our business park because I don't think he can't. Dude, you're actually fucked. Watch this, he's not gonna make it. Like, do you want me to like let you know when you're not gonna? Nope. No, you're already on the ground. Hi, you won't make it. You won't make it. She's even telling you ain't gonna make it.
She ain't make it, but you might not make it with the bumper.
You gotta angle it more, Calv. You gotta like angle it all the way. Calvin's getting an audience here. Nope.
Mickey was like, oh, my car's lower, bro. No, your car ain't lower, bro. My car's the lowest, bro.
Just dropped off another huge basket of orders, filling up another basket of orders, and that makes today like 6 total baskets gone out. Hey guys, I'd like to let you know that from now on, Calvin doesn't want to be called Calvin. He wants to be called Hot Boy Pinoy.
No, you gotta stay in your voice.
Yeah, you won't fucking see it.
Oh, Hot Boy Pinoy! Oh, so just from now on, for future reference, whenever you guys see Calvin at meets, you sort of go, oh, Hot Boy boy Pinoy!
You disgust.
Oh, that's what I'm gonna call your car now, Hot Boy Pinoy. This card has made you a new name. Oh, Hot Boy Pinoy.
I'm not gonna explain.
All right, what are you doing?
I'm not explaining what I'm doing because Tej, you and your dirty Hot Boy Pinoy memes are too dirty. I'm just gonna go do it.
Come on, man, explain to them what you're
Get the camera
doing.
out of my face, man.
Come on, man, explain to them.
No.
Please, educate me. Please.
Get away.
Oh, no. He's always farting, and he always tries to say he's not, but I have proof.
Oh my god. Dude, it's not even funny. It's not even funny. Where's my gas mask?
It actually smells like poo.
It's a mixture of the fucking
It's a biohazard, bro. It's not even bad. It's a war crime. I almost threw up.
Jesus, your burger's
I
right.
tried to fake it. I almost actually threw up. Imagine if he like actually puked himself. Like that would have sold so well. I tried to fake it. Oh man. Oh, let's not do that again. No.
Hot boy Pinoy.
Get your face out of my mask.
Yeah, this mask smells like you.
I wonder fucking why.
Like, I smell your mouth on this mask.
I wonder why.
Isn't that weird?
No, it's not weird. It makes sense.
It's weird that you know what his mouth smells like.
Okay,
weird.
okay. It's not that I know what his mouth. Oh, my tongue touched it.
You just like, when you spend enough time with someone, you know what they smell
Yeah,
like.
you just eventually kiss each other.
No, not true. Unless he's a
Hot boy Pinoy.
This is like the 5th truckload we've done today of taking packages to the post office. 4 of us in there, and we've had 4 of us in there for the past like 4 or 5 hours today, packaging orders. We've like almost gone through half of the orders, which is a good sign. Sometimes when I make boxes, I have to fit some weird things in there, and it like absolutely deforms the box. So Christian, I don't know how to pronounce your last name, but Christian, I'm sorry that your box is ugly, so I wrote on your box, sorry for the ugly box, XD, heart, and then I signed the box for you. But we'll probably load this truck up one more time. Considering the post office is closed, we will run it to the post office tomorrow before we head off to Premium. I don't know, looking a little shabby. Ooh, baby! Much better. Leaving for New Zealand in T-minus 24 hours. That being said, I need to pack, do laundry, and get some sleep. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Peace out. And keep moving forward. Yeah, yeet.
I'm feeling
Gotta do it for the video. Alright, Calvin, imagine I'm Emily.
Hey, Colin.
Hey, oh, I was kidding, man. I was kidding. There is no sippy action going on in this car. No, he accepted? You're fucking joking. Oh, what have I done? God damn it. So what's the next step? When do we get it? How do I get it? I don't even know what I'm supposed to do.